In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fog light bulb on your Nissan Armada. Located in front under the vehicle. Let's get started. Now we're going to go ahead and reach for the fog light bulb. You're going to notice the connector that goes straight onto the socket. We're going to go ahead and reach for it. And the next thing we need to do, we need to rotate the light bulb before we take it out. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Pull out the light bulb. And now we can go ahead and disconnect it. Disconnect the light bulb. And here it is. Now we can go ahead and replace my light bulb in. The first thing we need to do is plug it in. So find the connector. Go ahead and plug it in. Make sure you hear a click and just give it a light tug to make sure that it's secure. Now we can go ahead and insert it onto the light bulb socket and twist it to lock it in place. Get it on. And twist it to lock it. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.